Welcome back to Cardinal Strength Corner, February 2017. Typically, guys, we like to talk a lot about our lifting program here at Ball State. And today we're going to talk about what we do at the beginning of our workouts because it is the most important, and that's our core work. All right, today we're going to talk about our anti-rotational core work, so the body's ability to fight rotation, all right, from a force coming from another direction, okay? Today we're going to talk specifically about the pal-off press. The only thing that you need for this, all right, is a simple resistance band. All right, we typically want to start with an easier one, especially if you're dealing with young novice athletes. All right, as the exercise goes on from week to week, all right, you can increase the amount of resistance by just backing away further from where the band is attached. All right, you can also do it by getting a stronger band eventually as your athletes become stronger. Okay, so with the pal-off press, all right, all we need to do is strap it onto a post. All right, we have it on one of our racks here. All right, if I'm doing this exercise, I want to make sure that I'm pulling the band far enough that I have tension to start. All right, I'm going to grab with the nearest hand closest to the rack. I'm going to overlap with the other hand. All right, and I'm actually going to set my feet back so that when I press out, all right, that band is straight in line with where it's attached to on the post here. Okay, so first movement is always going to be, all right, sitting down into a quarter squat. I want my weight back. I want a good sport position like we would want with any athlete, with my chest up, and I want a very strong base. Okay, first movement is going to be pulling the band into the chest. All right, typically we'll do this on the whistle. All right, if you hear that first whistle, our athletes will press out. All right, and we're holding this strong position right here, all right, for a given amount of time. All right, as we go in from week 1 to week 2, all right, we might even go from 2-second hold to a 3-second hold, and that's how we're going to increase the intensity from week to week, all right, rather than just adding more reps, okay? So once again, sitting down into it, my hips are back, my chest is up. I'm pulling the band into my chest. All right, I hear that first whistle. We're pressing out. You notice the band is straight in line. Second whistle, back in. All right, and then we'll switch to the other side. All right, so if we do a set of 6 maybe for 2 seconds, all right, we'll of course do the other side. All right, and then the last thing that we will do is what we call our anti-extension work. All right, so now the body's ability, all right, to fight extension, all right, within my lumbar spine, all right, by pulling that band up over my head. Now for this exercise, my hands are going to be a little bit further apart. All right, I still want to pull away from the rack. All right, and I want to sit up as tall as I can possibly be. All right, as I press up, all right, everybody wants to lean forward, all right, because of the amount of core work that we need to use, all right, to perform this exercise. Okay, so hands are apart. All right, I'm waiting for that whistle again. Straight up, being as tall as we can, extending the arms full. All right, waiting for that second whistle, and then bringing it back down in front. All right, again, we might do that for the same amount of reps. As we go from week to week, we will increase the time to make the exercise harder. Hope you guys enjoy this. We'll see you next month.